Welcome to the Smoke and Mirrors nail blog. Today we are going to unbox the MelodySusie 12-watt LED light gel nail dryer. This is a 12-watt LED lamp for curing your gel polish and your LED compatible gels. I bought this on Amazon for $27.99. It's a very popular item with plenty of good reviews, but I just wanted to show you what it comes with and kind of give you an idea of my experience with it, because I've had very good experience with these products so far. So when you unbox it, you'll have, this is the cord, the lamp itself, and then you also get an instruction book, which I've actually never read. If you are not familiar with how to use these lamps, I highly recommend reading the manual. MelodySusie has kind of a cool backstory. It's two cosmetologists in San Francisco, Melody and Susie. In 2009, they decided to form a company that would help women negotiate the elusive balance between work, life, and personal care. And their nail lamp is one of their kind of signature items. So here's the lamp. These can come in pink, black, and white, and there's also a dual power option, so you could have either the cable or you can have a battery. Now the cord, I called it a cable, but it's actually a cord, just plugs into your standard outlet. And just notice that it's only 3 feet long. This has not been an issue for me. I have it on my nail table at home and it plugs right into the wall, so it's not really a problem. So the cord simply goes into, there it is. So it's kind of on the side. You just plug that in. And basically you're ready to go. I really like this lamp. This is the second lamp that I have had that's just like this. My previous one lasted about 4 years. So if you look at the price, it was about $30, $8 a year to do manis and pedis at home. I think that's a really good return on investment. So you can use this for all your LED compatible polishes and gels. For curing, you've got 4 buttons here. There's the 30-second, 60-second, 90-second, which is a minute and a half, and 30-minute settings. When you're curing gelish, you would most likely be using the 30-second or the 60-second settings, because your base coat cures in an LED lamp in 10 seconds. Colors and top it off will cure in 30. The structure gel, the brush-on structure gel, will cure in 45, so you can use the 60-second setting. Notice that the inside has like a mirror finish, which will reflect the light, and it will give you a more even cure. There are some older lamps that do not have this, so it's really important that you buy a lamp with this, so that when you put your hand in the lamp, obviously the light is shining right down on these nails, but then a lot of people have issues right here with the thumbnail not curing, especially in this corner, and it's because that portion of the nail is down in a place where the light does not shine. So what you can also do is just flip your hand over like this for 30 seconds at the end and just make sure that you fully cured that gel polish. I recommend doing 2 thumbs at a time. So you can do 4 fingers and then 4 fingers and then do your 2 thumbs. All in all, I really like MelodySusie lamps. This is the only MelodySusie product that I have purchased, but I've been really happy with it. Just note that this is more of a home use product, so I would not recommend it for heavy use in the salon. If you're a nail technician that does, you know, a little bit of gel here and there and doesn't do it like day in and day out, you would be fine. But I mostly use this for myself at home for manis and petties. Finally, I wanted to show you what to expect when you're actually using this lamp. You can see it's kind of a purple light, and that will come on. It will cycle off in 30 seconds. My previous nail lamp that died, it just quit working in the button area. The timers just stopped working and then the light wouldn't come on. But overall, I was really happy with it. Like I said, I had it for 4 or 5 years. I thought I got a lot of really good use out of it.